convert 22 by 35 to decimal. To convert this to decimal, we have to divide, and to divide we should frame it in this way. 22 here, 35 here. This is your step 1. Next, here we have 22, here 35. 22 smaller than 35. So what we should do is, we should put dot here, take 0 here. So 220. A number close to 220 in 35 table is, let us go with 6. So 35 6 times, 6 5s 30, 0 3, 6 3s 18 plus 3, 21. So 210 close to 220. So we should go with 6 times. So 35 6 times, 210. Now we should subtract, we get 10. Here we have 10, here 35. 10 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 100. A number close to 100 in 35 table is 35 2s 70. Now we subtract, we get 30. Here we have 30, here 35. 30 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 300. A number close to 300 in 35 table is, let us go with 8. So 35 8 times, 8 5s 40, 0 4, 8 3s 24 plus 4, 28. So 280 close to 300, so we should go with 8 times. So 35 8 times, 280. Now we subtract, we get 20. Here we have 20, here 35. 20 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 200. A number close to 200 in 35 table is 35 5s, 175. Now we subtract, we get 25. Here we have 25, here 35. 25 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 250. A number close to 250 in 35 table is, let us go with 7. So 35 7 times, 7 5s 35, 5 3. 7 3s 21 plus 3, 24. So 245 close to 250. So we should go with 7 times. So 35 7 times, 245. Now we subtract, we get 5. Here we have 5, here 35. 5 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 50. A number close to 50 in 35 table is 35 1s 35. Now we subtract, we get 15. Here we have 15, here 35. 15 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 150. A number close to 150 in 35 table is 35 4s, 140. Now we subtract, we get 10. Now you observe here, we had 10 here and we got 10 again. That means we get bar on these numbers. Remember here, we do not get bar on this starting number because after doing a step, we got 10. So do not put bar on this starting number. Therefore, our answer is 0.6285714. Bar on these numbers. This is our answer.